OPCT Factory is the 3D outsourcing solution for your thermoformed plantar orthotics. You start by scanning your patient's feet using your preferred method. Select and customize your plantar orthotics. We manufacture them to your specifications and dispatch them directly to your practice. Outsource your production. With your database at your fingertips, access our extensive stock of orthotics. Avoid health hazards and improve your quality of life. Focus on your core business, clinical examination. OPCT is a unique project developed over more than 20 years and approved by thousands of athletes and foot professionals. Made up of a host of materials, it can be tailored to every fitting room, every pathology and every activity. And it's made in France near the Alps. So contact us today to book a training session at a Podiatech showroom or training center.